Hello guys, once again to Haptic. I finally got the new PS5. In this video I will take you through the unboxing, I will start it up and do the setup. Let's jump into it. This bundle comes with 12 months PS Plus subscription, and as you can see, this is the PS5 digital edition. Now let's open it and see what's inside the box. So we have here the quick start guide, in which you can see how you can quickly set up your PS5. Also we have the warranty book and the safety guide. I'm not sure if any of you will read it, but you just have them there, so yeah. And as you can see, here we have the power cable, the new PS5 DualSense controller, and this is the PS5 stand. We also have an HDMI cable, and now is the main event. Let's take the PS5 out of the box. In the back of the PS5 you have two USB Type A ports. You also have a LAN port, HDMI and AC in connector. In the front you have another USB Type A port and USB-C, and here is the power button. In case you want to get a custom made plate for your PS5, this is how easy it is to take it off. You just need to pull it up and down. This is the new PS5 DualSense controller. It is so satisfying to have it in hand. And finally we have the PS5 stand. You just need to spin it to get the screw out and then fit it on the console. Okay guys, so we completed the unboxing of the PS5. Let's jump into starting and setting up the new PS5. So the first time when you want to start your PS5, you need to push the button, the power button on the console to start it. So now when it comes to logging into your account, you have two ways. Either you log in with your email and password, or you just need to open the PlayStation app, go to scan QR code, and that's all you need. You're already in. So now if you want to change the vibration of the controller, you just need to get here so you can change the trigger effect, the haptic feedback, or the entire controller feedback. The best part of the PS5 is once you log in into your PS Plus, you have a collection of games, which is called the PS Plus collection, which has a bunch of games such as Mortal Kombat, God of War, Second Son, Uncharted, and many other games. It's a collection of 25 games. If you have any questions about the PS5, please leave it in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please hit like, subscribe, and turn the notifications on. And stay tuned to my next videos. See you soon.